Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I do my eyebrows. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell button so you can get notifications. Hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. Bye. So today I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows, and I'm gonna start with my Spoolie. And you're gonna brush your eyebrows hair. Then you're gonna take your angled brush and you're gonna use your eyebrow gel. Some people like to use an eyebrow pencil, but I like to use the eyebrow gel. And this is from Rubykisses and is in dark brown. I don't know if you could like see it, but yeah, in dark brown. So I'm gonna dip my angled brush into my gel and I'm gonna draw a line under my eyebrow, following the shape of my eyebrow. I have a mirror, so I keep looking down. Sorry guys. So I'm gonna draw the line like so, following the shape of my eyebrow, and then I'm gonna do another one on top of my brow like so. So up and down, down, up, down, yeah. And then now now that I have the line down and line up, and I don't draw the line like starting from the front, I start like right there. And I'm gonna like shade it in, and I'm gonna move to the next one. I fill it in, and then I'm gonna move to the next one. The rest of whatever products I have, I'm just gonna use to like shade it in like that. I want it to look as natural as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna keep filling it in. See the difference, right? After I'm done, I just like to brush through it a little bit, and I'm gonna move to the next one. I have thin eyebrows, so I don't like to overdo it. So same thing I did right here, I'm gonna do right here. So I'm gonna draw the line. Right? And then I'm gonna do the same thing on top. I don't know, every time I do my eyebrows, like the right side always come out better than the left side. I don't know why, but I'm not perfect, but if you're like a little beginner, you can learn a thing or two from me. And then I'm gonna brush through it again. Now I'm gonna grab my concealer, and today I'm gonna be using the LA Pro in Espresso. Can you see? Espresso. And I'm gonna be using my flat brush, and yeah, so like that. And I'm gonna use the concealer to clean it and make it look nice. Oh my god, my nose is just take a concealer and is you're gonna clean underneath your brows. So I like to like start from right here. I'm gonna use my blending brush to like clean. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm like cleaning it here so it doesn't look too harsh. I'm gonna be going on top of my brows. So some people don't like to, after they do underneath, they leave it alone, and some people like to go on top, and yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I do like to do it this way. I feel more comfortable doing it. I'm gonna get my blending brush again, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the other eye. I'm gonna use my concealer. Clean. You brush it up. Not like that, but I'm gonna use my blending brush too. This is my simple eyebrow tutorial. once I'm done, I go back again with my eyebrow brush. That's what I call it. And like brush through it again. And you're basically done. But one extra step I like to do is get my eyebrow ball gel from ColourPop. I like to call it the eyebrow mascara. So yeah, so once you're done, it helps it stay in place, so I just use it to like brush through. That's basically it. So I'm done with my brows. This is my simple way. I'm done with my brows. This is